So this is a quick little video. If you're looking to swap out either the battery or the circuit board from a Dodge Ram key fob, I believe this will apply to years 99 up to 2005. So as you can see, the other side doesn't have that opening for you. So right there is where you want to stick your flathead. So then I gently start prying it open. And then just start moving up the case, and it should begin to separate. Now, I haven't opened this in probably over 10 years. I haven't replaced the batteries since I purchased the truck at the dealership. And then one side on the back cover you have your battery, and here is the circuit board. Okay, so once you have it opened and exposed, I'll start with the battery. So I'll pop this guy out. So there's two batteries. So the only thing that's holding this in is actually you have two tabs actually on the side. One right on the inside of here and one on the inside of here. So if you pop that guy out. So what I like to do is kind of come up behind this part. Try not to bend it, because if you bend it too much you actually could break this. And then right underneath I'm putting the flat end of my screwdriver right underneath where that square hole is. So that's actually where you're going to be reinstalling it on the new one. But once you pop, you're going to kind of pop it out of there like so. And then to reinstall it, when you remove this little backing plate for the battery, just make sure that these tabs are pointed in the upward direction when reinstalling it on a new case. Okay. And then I have the positives facing up. Negative is going down towards the shell. Alright, now for the circuit board. When you remove this from your old one, be careful when tugging on this rubber part. If it's old like mine, it'll just rip and tear. But like I said, if you actually if you push it through gently, just push it through and pop it out, you won't have any problems. So next, now once that's removed from the old shell, you can just simply pull it off and then reinsert it right into the new one. Now, just be mindful, this is a circuit board. And you don't want to damage any of the welds or any of the components, and especially this little processor part right here. This is basically the brains of the unit right here. Okay, so once you have that circuit board popped into your new silicone right here, so remember this is going to be new, and it's this is aftermarket, so I don't expect it to be perfect. You're going to put that back in the shell. Just be mindful that when you're doing this, you don't want to press on these components up here. You can kind of press on here, just don't put too much force on that. You don't want to break this. So I kind of recommend going, I guess, around the edges first. Once you start feeling it seat in there, then maybe you can take like a flat end screwdriver and just press flat against on that board and seat that down in there as far as you can get it. So if you could get this circuit board seated into this side of the case, well, at this point, this side should slap on fairly easy, and it shouldn't have too much resistance. So it should just kind of pop up like that. There you go, and I hear it working. Buttons feel tight though too, so, but there you go. Alright, hope the video helps and thanks for watching.